So now let's work around with mustaches inside of Adobe Fuse. So to work with mustaches, I'm going to go to the mustaches section right over here. And then over here, you can see that there's 4 mustaches that I can choose from. So I'm just going to go around and add in a mustache right here. And even if this is a female character, I can still add in mustaches right over here. And to edit the mustaches, you simply go on to the geo tool, and then as with any other clothing tool, you can just click and drag it right over here, as you can see. So drag it down, drag it up, or you go on to the side and drag it on the front right over here, just like that. So that is how you can work around and change around. So there's different type of mustaches. This is the big one, and this is a normal mustache right over here. This one is the alpha standard right over here, the smaller one, and alpha trim right over here, which is a smaller one. So if you want to delete out the mustaches, simply click on the mustaches by using the selection tool, and until you see the blue outline, click on delete and the mustaches will be gone. So that is how you work with mustaches inside of Adobe Fuse. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.